All right, so first things first, before we start programming, we need to make sure our door is open. I know you're wondering, why does the door have to be open? Why can't it be closed? The reason is, this way I can see when my neighbors are coming home. I don't want to be programming something when they're coming home using their clicker, because then guess what? Shirley across the street's gonna be able to open my door when she comes home, right? So door's open, we're gonna make sure there's no cars, nobody's pulling by, nothing like that. If you have your universal remote, you're gonna wanna slide down this little case. You'll notice there's a big little black button in there. That's our programming button. We're gonna press and hold that until our blue light comes on. That means it's ready to be programmed. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna locate our learn button. This one's a yellow one. Yours at home could be red, it could be purple, it could be green. A lot of different options. Doesn't matter, it just depends on the presses we're gonna do on the remote. So we're gonna click our learn button. We should see a yellow amber light turn on. We're gonna find out which button we wanna program, and we're gonna slowly press and hold for about a second, let go. Press and hold, press and hold. We're gonna keep pressing until we hear a click from the motor or the lights on the motor flash. Motor lights flashed, so we're gonna press and hold that program button again until the blue light turns off, and then we're gonna test our button we programmed. Perfect. If that didn't work for you, one thing I want you to check really quick. Check and see what kind of light bulb is in your motor. If it's an LED light bulb, take it out, put in a regular one, see if that fixes it. If you're one of the unlucky ones that's still having a problem, looks like you're gonna have to give me a call.